In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PowerPoint template for beginners. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring that you can craft a personalized and professional looking template step by step. To begin, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. PowerPoint is included in the Microsoft Office suite, so you should have no trouble locating it on your system. Once you've launched PowerPoint, go ahead and open up a blank presentation. This will provide a clean slate for us to build upon, free from any existing designs or content that might distract from creating your template. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on the File tab. This will open a range of options designed to help you manage your PowerPoint file. While we won't be saving or exporting anything at this exact moment, the File tab is still an essential part of our initial setup. Moving along, click on the Design tab. This section is dedicated to the aesthetic components of your presentation. It's a powerful toolkit where you can set themes, colors, and fonts that will define the look and feel of your PowerPoint template. Within the Design tab, you'll find a button labeled Slide Size. Click on this and then select Custom Slide Size. Choosing a custom size is important because it allows you to tailor your slides to the specific needs of your audience or device. For instance, if you're preparing a presentation for a widescreen format, you might opt for a 16:9 aspect ratio. At this stage, you can also select the orientation and dimension, either landscape or portrait, depending on your design preference or the format you find most aesthetically pleasing. Once you've settled on the orientation and dimensions that suit your project, click OK. You'll notice that your slide adjusts to fit the selected parameters, giving you a customized workspace that's primed for the next stages of template design. Now, navigate over to the View tab on the ribbon. This is where things start to get a little more technical, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Under the View tab, you'll locate options to manage different perspectives of your presentation. In the Master Views group, which is typically at the far left, go ahead and click on Slide Master. The Slide Master is the backbone of your template. Here you can edit and set universal attributes for all slides in your future presentations. By adjusting aspects like fonts, colors, and placeholders, any changes you make in the Slide Master will automatically apply to your entire template. This is the beauty and efficiency of creating a PowerPoint template, ensuring consistency and saving time for any presentations you craft using this template in the future. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating your very own PowerPoint template. With these steps, you'll be able to produce a template that's uniquely tailored to your needs, giving your presentations a professional edge. Happy designing!